Hello dear friends! I don't know does the winter weather is already in the place where you live, but here in Russia everything is covered by snow. On the first winter week I decided to talk about winter-inspired art and show some cool, as I think, ideas for crafting, painting and jewelry making. I love experiments and often try something new, and sometimes it's a bit crazy. I want to share my experience with you. I hope you will find inspiration in these works. Before we started, subscribe to my channel if you are not yet and hit the bell button to be notified about new videos. So, the first idea is a bit obvious, but I like it so much and I will never tire to do it. Making crystals in a stone a part of your painting. Some examples. Here I painted dragons like their bodies are made of crystals. That makes painting look so magical. And you can make opposite, turn crystal part into background. It always gives a nice winter atmosphere. Well, this idea is more for artists who paint on stones, but I promise, the other three generally are for any artist. The second idea, epoxy resin and leaves. I made this project twice, one with forest spirits and one with dragons. For these works I used wood bases, paint them gold, glued leaves, cover with epoxy resin and painted on it with oil. I used white and blue colors to make it look like frozen water on autumn leaves. It makes an amazing effect, and I'm sure you may use this idea not only for jewelry but for any other art project. I love this collection so much. The important thing, the leaves what we use should be completely dry, because fresh leaves will change color in epoxy resin, and the result may unpleasant surprise you. The third idea, butterfly wings. Yes, real wings. Before somebody blame me, no, I didn't hunt butterflies, I got these wings in Butterfly Garden. It's a place where keepers care about butterflies and make everything to help them live longer. But as you know, butterflies' life is short, and I think it's a nice idea to save this beauty in an art form when the butterfly passed away. I made a few pendants with different wings, but today our topic is winter, and here is what I want to show you. This is a blue Marfa. It has a very special wings. They look slight blue, but it's not a real color. It's blue because of iridescence. This is results from the microstructure of wings, so it shines and glows and looks absolutely amazing. This is my first work in progress video. I filmed it 4 years ago on my old phone, sorry for the bad quality, but you may see how beautiful these wings are. Here is a couple of pendants I made with Morpho wings. And the white kitten is a kind of spirit that brings first snow on his wings. I think this blue shiny color is truly winter. This is a nice idea for artists, just find a way to use it in your works. Oh, and don't forget that you can't just cover it with varnish, because it will destroy iridescent scales on wings and they will turn black. So you need to protect them from any liquids. Some people use lamination, others place it between glass. I figured out another trick, let me know if you want a tutorial about it. And finally, the last idea, shakers. In my childhood we had so many different shakers, keychains, toys, I even remember a mug with shaker inside, but probably it was not safe. But I love them so much. And snow globes, I always wanted to have one. This inspired me to make a tiny snow globe shaker pendants. I placed my painting in acrylic form and added porcelain snow. It was very hard and I can't recommend this technique because it isn't perfect, let's be honest. Right now I see a lot of ways to make it better and maybe I will finally do it again, who knows. But I'm sure I will use different materials, maybe epoxy resin, but most likely UV resin. I still have unfinished project in this technique. Hope one day I will finish them, but in another form, because this pie works not like I want to. Well, that was my 4 craziest ideas for winter art. crystal, epoxy resin, butterfly wings and shakers. What do you think about them? Which one do you like the most? Have they inspired you for your own craft and art? Well, in any case, I hope it was interesting to watch. Share this video if you like it, give me thumbs up for my crazy ideas, and be sure you are subscribed to not miss the next video, because it will be something very special and interesting, and I will announce an art giveaway next Friday. Thank you so much for watching, see you in the next videos!